The Lieutenant Governor's order here is that what belongs to the people must go back to the people.
Okay.
That's it. So do you want any other order? 1 minute. Do you want any other order? Then the other order will have to come from Government of India, not from here.
Give me, madam, no problem.
And the Government of India is go 50-50. Finished. So when do you start? How do you announce now?
We'll
That
discuss with secretary and get back.
there's no need for discussion anymore.
Madam,
Oh no, no, I'm sorry. There's no need for discussion. Why are you talking? I'm sorry. I don't report to the secretary. Secretary reports to me.
Okay, madam.
Okay? You report to me. Why a secretary? So you have to immediately take care and see this is ordered.
We'll have today, sir. Tomorrow we'll have.
Today, no, if by tomorrow any one of you does not imply, you shall be placed under suspension. You go to the court and get yourself reinstated.
No, today we'll delete all
Because the
seats.
Lieutenant Governor is the final authority when it comes to service matters here. That's the rule, business rule. Is that clear? These seats which you have shown me, 150, belong to government quota. Account for these. I want an account, 159. Which are those 159 plus 10 candidates you've given by way to see? I want this account of him. I will count 159 myself. Is that clear, three of you? Or is there a doubt? I do not know. Why did you do this? Whose orders did you do it? Why have you been manipulating here? Why are you manipulating?
No, that is an order given by them.
There is no order here. And you're wrong. I've read the order. There's no such order. You are manipulating. No, this is no such order. You are wrong.
Filled up in all India basis.
That's right. But the last date of counselling is still on. Aren't you counselling today? Aren't you counselling tomorrow? It says after everything's over. You have 2 more days still. Why have you preempted it?
No, they have to join, madam. They have to go there, and actually they are coming from Delhi and all.
Point
they
here
have to
is-
go and then join.
all right,
No, you have to give the date, time, no.
You have to give, you are accountable to the people for 159 seats.
No, council schedule is approved by our chairman, central chairman.
As I said, after that, this is what is required. You don't need any more orders after this. You tell me, how do you get my 159 seats? You have already made a mistake. How will you rectify it? And you have made a mistake behind the scene, behind the back. That is why the Rajnivas is getting complaints every day, again and again and again. That's why I've come here. I've come for no other reason. The government, this was government's work. This was the department work. I've only come here finally to see what is going on here. Why should the people keep coming back again and again? And surely enough, you've taken away the seats.
So the balance means we already merged and given to the other all India quota.
You
How
inform,
can you get? You have to get
then
it back.
you have to get it back. You have no choice. You have no choice but to do it back. First of all, how can you take away my seats? These are my Pondicherry seats. No. Oh, 1 minute, Mr. Govindan. Till the last day, it's by tomorrow you would have known how many seats are not taken. Those are available for all India.
See, suppose somebody has been selected, they report to college.
I'm saying those. How can you judge? My day for counselling is still tomorrow. How have you preempted it?
No, we have not solved the fee
Admission
issue.
procedure is like
The
that.
fee
madam.
issue
We
is
have to-
already settled. First of all, you select. Fee issue will come later. First of all, give me 39 selections.
The whole selection date has been.
You first of all 39 selections.